Hello friends, today again we are going to solve a simple question from MPSC lecturer in zoology screening test 2011. The question is very simple. Many of you may know the answer of this question. But even if I'm going to take this question, the question is testosterone is secreted by Sertoli cells, Leydig cells, spermatozoa, and secondary spermatocyte. In this question, I'm going to give you the details of Sertoli cells, Leydig cells, and some of the details of the testosterone. The question is, testosterone is secreted by Sertoli cells, Leydig cells, spermatozoa, and secondary spermatocytes. Now, this is the diagram for the testes, that is the structure of the testes. So this is the structure of the testes. It contains these testicular lobes. These testicular lobes mainly contain the seminiferous tubules. Seminiferous tubules are the structures in which the sperm formation takes place. Then this is epididymis. These are septae. This is tunica albuginea. This is retitestes, and this is ductus deferens. Okay, so in this case mainly we are going to deal with the TS of the seminiferous tubules, because these seminiferous tubules only contain the Leydig cells as well as the Sertoli cells. So this is the section TS, or section of the seminiferous tubules. Here there are different stages of the spermatogenesis are shown, because in the seminiferous tubules only sperm formation takes place. These are spermatogonia, these are primary spermatocytes, then these are secondary spermatocytes, and these are spermatids. Then in the same seminiferous tubules, there are some cells called as the Sertoli cells. These cells give support as well as give nourishment to the developing sperms. So these Sertoli cells are very important for the formation of the sperms, or for spermatogenesis. And in between two seminiferous tubules, there is a connective tissue. So this is one seminiferous tubule and this is another seminiferous tubule. And in between two seminiferous tubules, there is a connective tissue. This is the connective tissue. And this connective tissue contains the cells called as interstitial cells of Leydig, or these are also called as Leydig cells. These Leydig cells are mainly responsible for the secretion of the testosterone. So again, the same diagram is here. Here there is a transverse section of seminiferous tubule. As I have told you that in the seminiferous tubule only the spermatogenesis, that is a formation of sperm, takes place. And for formation of the sperm, the development of the sperm and the nourishment of the sperm is mainly done with the help of a cell, and that cell is called as the Sertoli cell. In this case, the details of spermatogenesis are shown. This is the Sertoli cell. Then this is basement membrane. These are spermatogonia. Spermatogonia undergo a process of mitosis and they form primary spermatocytes. Primary spermatocytes undergo a process of meiosis 1 and then they form a secondary spermatocytes, and secondary spermatocytes undergo a meiosis 2 to form a mature sperms, which are called as spermatids. So in this case, we have seen the details of Sertoli cell. Sertoli cell is mainly responsible for the development of the sperms, and it gives support to the sperms, as well as it also nourishes the sperms for their development. And the Leydig cells, which are present in the connective tissues in between the seminiferous tubules, these Leydig cells are responsible for secretion of the testosterone. So answer of our question, that is testosterone is secreted by, the answer is Leydig cells. So now we will see in briefly what are the different functions of the testosterone. Mainly the testosterone is called as a male hormone, and it is responsible for it is a primary sex hormone in case of males. In humans, testosterone play a key role in the development of male reproductive system, that is testes and prostate. So when the fetus is male fetus, when the testosterone secretes in its body, it is further responsible for the development of the male reproductive tissues, mainly the testes and prostates in case of males. Then it promotes the secondary sexual characteristics, development of the secondary sexual characteristics such as increased muscle and bone mass and the growth of the body hair. Then it also responsible for testosterone is also secreted in the females also, but its quantity is lesser than in the males. So this testosterone in both the sexes is involved in health and well-being, including moods, behavior, and the prevention of osteoporosis. These are brief functions about the testosterone. So for the development of the testes mainly takes place in the seminiferous tubules. Development of sperms mainly takes place in the seminiferous tubules. Between the two seminiferous tubules, there is a connective tissue, and that connective tissue is contains a cells of Leydig cells. These Leydig cells are responsible for the secretion of the male hormone, that is the testosterone. And inside the seminiferous tubules only, there are cells that are called as the Sertoli cells, and these Sertoli cells are responsible for the development and the nourishment of the developing sperms. So this is about the question. So thank you everyone. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.